Hi guys, and welcome to another reaction from me. Has been quite an amazing month, I guess. Like there's so many groups coming back this month, which is kind of surprising considering the situation right now. But I guess it's a nice thing for everyone who are stuck at home, something to cheer themselves up, something to be entertained and happy about. So today I'll be reacting to Nature's new song, Ordine Girls. So I guess it's like little girls. I've not seen too much of the teasers actually. I've seen a couple pictures by accident, I guess. But from what I heard, that their music video got banned and they had to do some changes and all to it because of restrictions. That was interesting, I guess. So alright, so without further ado, let's begin in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, it starts with some blood and scissors. Oh, okay. Oh, this is actually very different from what they usually do. Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay, that's scary. Are there blood in the... Oh, Haru. Yes. Oh. I'm not sure how to describe this genre. Actually, it's really different from what they did previously. Oh yeah, that was Sunshine. Unfortunately, she injured herself and couldn't participate this time round. Okay, and you have broken glass. Oh my god, that's... Don't cut yourself. Yeah. Oh, then again, the dance is kind of what they usually do though. Just like maybe a little slower, I guess, and sexier. Oh. I wonder what made them decided to go for this concept actually. But it's not really surprising to me because we have seen Haru covered a lot of songs that's similar to this style. Oh, what is that in the box? It makes me wonder what they had to remove from the MV actually. So far it looks okay actually. I mean, there's like scarier MVs out there. Everything here so far is like symbolic and not exactly scary. Okay. Oh, don't strangle her, please. Dance break. Oh wow. Oh, I love to sleep at the bed of roses. I mean, bed of flowers, really, literally. Oh my god, that's scary. Okay, I wonder where that X went. Okay, so overall interesting concept that they decided to go to. You know, nature has been coming out with really cheerful, happy songs, and this time they are going for something very deep and symbolic. Not sure what exactly the whole MV meant. Maybe it's like about their struggles, I know, as a kid, maybe during your puberty or something like that, because this is about being a young child or something. So in terms of the dance style, definitely it suited them because I've seen Haru did dance covers similar to this. So not super like surprised that they are able to pull this off, but they did. Yeah, so I look forward to their dance stage actually. So that's, or maybe their choreography versions. So yeah, I look forward to listening to the rest of the album, and I'll see you guys on the next one.